You lift me up, I'll follow you to the end of the earth.
This cabin renovation is moving about as quickly as this turtle. But with spring in the air, we are eager to finish the cabin. We even had a goose lay her eggs on the island in our pond.
I brought all the memories out, headed toward the setting of sun. Fall leaves, another season, I'll let it go.
Houston, we have a problem. When we installed this bathroom floor, we poured self-leveler over everything, and we made a little box around the toilet flange. The layer of self-leveler obviously didn't cover this. And when we put the floor on, this here, you can see, there's quite a gap. We're not gonna be able to attach our toilet. So we ended up pouring more self-leveler and getting the toilet flange perfectly level with the floor. We went ahead and installed our new toilet and moved on to building the bench in our shower and prepping for tile. Now that the shed is built, it feels really great being able to move all of our tools out and clean up the space. Daryl went ahead and started working on the trim upstairs, and I applied the red guard in the shower.
So I'm just trying to finish up this door trim, and then I can get the trim along the drywall finished up today too. You can see here we got the custom door that I built hung, and everything's working properly. Alright, got the door trimmed out, and I went ahead, got kind of everything fitted for this to make sure it fits. So now I'm going to get it all stained up, polyed up, and then I'll hang it.
To clean up the stairs, we used wainscoting. We cut the panels to fit them around the stair treads.
Alright, you can see here we got all the window framing, all the wood, we got that ripped out, sanded, and we repainted it white. And I also went ahead and cut all the window trim that's going to go around this window. I put the first coat of stain, I got to put another coat of stain and the poly on it. So while I wait for the stain and stuff on that trim to dry, I'm going to go ahead and start working on this window trim. You can see we painted this trim as well. And we're going to do the same kind of window trim for this window as we are in the bathroom. It's going to be a little bit trickier because we're using like a 1x4 for the trim, and you can see it gets really narrow there. So I'm going to have to do the math and kind of jigsaw this piece out, but I'm going to get started on that now and we'll see how it goes.
Roads have been me, you're still with me, places yet to go. First slow dances, blown out candles, you're the ebb and flow.
Alright, let's see if this puppy fits.
All the lights I follow, heights I couldn't see below. You're wherever I'm going, high and low.
Hey, it actually looks like it fits.
Worn out places, my suitcases waiting at the door. Strings behind me, you can write the pages to unfold. Where I'm standing, secondhand skin when I feel the cold. You're wherever I'm going, all I'll ever know. You're wherever I'm going, high and low.
So now that the shower is prepped and ready for tile, we set up the wet saw and mixed up the mortar and got started laying tile.
Where I'm going, high and low. You're wherever I'm going, all I wanna know. You're wherever I'm going, high and low. coat. With the wind, you take my hand, you always bring me home. You're wherever I'm going, all I wanna know. You're wherever I'm going, high and low. You're wherever I'm going, all I wanna know. You're wherever I'm going, high and low. Roads have been me, still with me, places yet to go. First slow dances, blown out candles, you're the ebb and flow.
Alright, we are going to go ahead and get our kitchen countertop cut. You can see here we want the butcher block slab. Got it from, I think, Home Depot. Ran us around $180. So we're going to cut it to size now and see how it fits.
On our places, my suitcases waiting at the door. Strings behind me, you can write these pages to unfold. Where I'm standing, secondhand skin when I feel the cold. You're wherever I'm going, all I'll ever know. You're wherever I'm going, high and low. You're wherever I'm going, all I wanna know. You're wherever I'm going, high and low. You're wherever I'm going, all I wanna know. You're wherever I'm going, high and low. Roads of memories, picture in the pocket of my coat. With the wind, you take my hand, you always bring me home. You're wherever I'm going, all I wanna know. You're wherever I'm going, high and low. You're wherever I'm going, all I wanna know. You're wherever I'm going, high and low.
Alright, so I think this is going to be a wrap for this video. We were hoping to get this shower done in this video, but we're actually packing up and getting ready to fly out to Arizona tomorrow to film a wedding. So we weren't actually able to finish the shower. One of the reasons we kind of halted it, because we have to make another trip to Lowe's because we need these 90-degree tiles to kind of make this corner. We forgot to buy those, but yeah, we got pretty much probably about 70% of the work done. We're going to go with the gray grout on the floor as well as the tiles, so it should look good. We got pretty far on the countertop here. We got to add a couple more layers of beeswax. We just put the sink in here for now. We wanted to clean up so when we come back from our trip, we're not coming back to a messy cabin. As well as we still got a few things to do on the stairs here. We got to, sand and stain that trim. Kind of do some trim around there. Got to hang that piece. Cut a 1x2 for there. We didn't put the wainscoting down here yet because we need the floor down in here. But for the most part, the stairs are pretty much done. And so I think that's going to be a wrap for this video.